So I've got a funky one here today. So I had a customer who dropped off the Stihl trimmer here. He had previously had it looked at by a shop I won't name, and they had told him that he needs a new carburetor and a new spark plug. And it had came in. He was having some rattling sounds when it was decelerating, and ran fine when it would accelerate, and then when he'd let off the gas, he said it would have some funky rattling and clanking sounds. Somehow, the unnamed shop said it should be a new carburetor and a new spark plug, basically saying it's a fuel and a spark issue. So, tested the spark, everything was totally fine. Tested the carb, everything was totally fine. But I checked the compression of this unit, and I don't know if you can see inside of there, but it is scored to all oblivion. Compression came out to just under 70 psi. So you can imagine, and you can see this pull cord here. This is usually a telltale sign of somebody who's been pulling on this thing, trying to make it start for a long, long time, and not running. But just another tip: careful where you bring your stuff. You know, they could sell you a nice little hope and a dream, but this thing's definitely got a blown engine.